Y'all, it's my motherfucking birthday. What is up? What is going on? This video is going to be a get ready with me. I am actually really about to run out of the door right now. We have reservations at 7. So I am going out to dinner for my birthday with my boyfriend's best friend and his mother, and we're going to a Japanese steakhouse. So I just want to film the process of me doing my makeup. It's just, I don't even know, just like a coppery, terracotta-y, I don't know. It's just this look. This is what I came up with. This is what I sat down to kind of improvise on a whim because of the outfit that I'm wearing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The hair I didn't include in this one because it's honestly, I just threw it up in a high bun type situation. Nothing too spectacular, but I wanted to make sure that I at least filmed a birthday get ready with me because there wasn't a video today, which is Wednesday on my birthday. This video will probably go up on Thursday. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video after my birthday, which doesn't really matter as much because Wednesday is my birthday. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye. Alexa, play Juvenile Back That Ass Up.
Back That Ass Up. Explicit isn't included with Prime but is available with Amazon Music Unlimited. Would you like to learn more?
No.
Okay. You can sign up anytime by saying, sign up for Amazon Music Unlimited. Here's a sample of Back That Ass Up. Explicit by Juvenile and others on Amazon Music.
Alright, I guess that's it.
Got your hands all in my pockets. If you started, I won't stop it. All I wanna do is watch you blossom, yeah, baby. I can hear your body talking. Oh, you're really growing on me. All I wanna do is watch you blossom, watch you blossom. Got your hands all in my pockets. If you started, I won't stop it. All I wanna do is watch you blossom, yeah, baby. I can hear your body talking. Oh, you're really growing on me. All I wanna do is watch you blossom, watch you blossom. walking like she in fashion. They playing just what she wants. Dirty Diana's her anthem. 'Cause you know, yeah, she know it's about her. Yeah, I feel like something might happen. Alright, the way she looking at me. Whew, I'm ready for my confession. Got me on my knees. You've been praying for the weekend. Let it heal your soul. Dancing on the ceiling, past the final call. I know what you're seeking, feelings that you lost. Oh, 'cause I know you. I know that you've been praying for the weekend. Hey, she rolling like she the flagship. Okay, bartender knows what she likes. Ooh, she bought the crowd like she Moses. Wanna make her mine. She got that vicious, that thickness, like in my daydream. She got no wish list, she live it, make her own money. She got me fixing for her lipstick, burning on my cheek. Wanna make her mine. Been praying for the weekend, let it heal your soul. Dancing on the ceiling, past that final call. I know what you're seeking, feelings that you lost. Oh, 'cause I know you. I know that you've been praying for the weekend, let it heal your soul. Dancing on the table, past that final call. I know what you're seeking, something that you lost. Oh, 'cause I know you. I know that you've been praying for the weekend. She got that vicious, that thickness, like in my daydream. She got no wish list, she live it, make her own money. She got me fixing for her lipstick, burning on my cheek. Wanna make her mine. Been praying for the weekend, let it heal your soul. Dancing on the ceiling, past that final call. I know what you're seeking, feelings that you lost. Oh, 'cause I know you. I know that you've been praying for the weekend, let it heal your soul. Dancing on the table, past that final call. I know what you're seeking, something that you lost. Oh, 'cause I know you. I know that you've been praying for the weekend. I told myself I wouldn't show up tonight, but your body went ahead and changed my mind. We don't got to act like this ain't right,
But you know we should when it feels this good.
lady. We might be strangers, so let's get acquainted. Oh, lady, follow your nature, but don't try to tame it. 'Cause you and I tonight ain't nothing but bodies in a room, with just bodies in a room. Everybody's getting loose, only one thing left to do. Move. Bodies in a room, with just bodies in a room. Everybody's getting loose, only one thing left to do. Watch this. Move. Ain't nobody here gotta try too hard. I love the way you shuffling in them high tops. We ain't got to tell no one where we are. Between me and you, we just bodies
It's my chocolate trash. Watch me after that. Say oh, can you try me? Try me. Won't you put your pride aside and notify me? Find me. You're the best I ever had, baby girl. Remind me, mind me. And if you know every town, you know where to find me. Find me. And the best you never had. I'm feeling you. You know what's up. Say I'm feeling you, and I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up. All I want is you. Come over here, baby. All I want is you. You make me go crazy. All I want is you. Oh, baby, don't be shy. You better cross the line. I wanna love you right, 'cause all I want is you. You talking to a grown ass man.
Like way too much up in your hands for us not to make the bed sweet.
There goes the bitch.
Everybody rip the sweat.
Y'all just saw all my unmentionables.
One thing left to do. Watch this.